I'm going to tell you how to make an object like bigger and smaller and change the width and size. So we make a new design. So normally we just got a box. Okay, and then can you see all these, like this one, this line, and this line? So this line is for making it like longer and kind of like stretch, so it like stretches more. This line, it just makes it longer, and then this line does the same. It like makes it really small and like wide, as wide as you want. But then this one, it moves it down, up and down. You can even move it down there. So if we get another box, and look, so if you want to make a house, if you want to make like a small simple house, you just do this. So you've got a box, okay, and then you have to probably look up. There's this little black dot. You have to hold that, and it tells you how long it is. So see, it's 52 centimeters. Yeah, I think. So then, if you want that, you can't. If you want to make like another bit of that, you can't just do this because it will make it. It wouldn't like make it. You could copy and paste it, but I'm going to show you this way. So you've got another box just around here. Yeah. Okay, and then you pull the other side to here, and then if you wanted to, there's another. It can make it a bit wider and a bit shorter, and then you could make it a bit further or shorter in. And then if you want like a window, well, you'd probably have to do this. You'd have to get a whole box and then like move it in with this, and it's probably I would do 1 or 2 point, because windows are quite small. Well, they're not small, but they're quite like thin sometimes. And then you could just go in and pull out this, and then when you can't see these, so there's like 3 there, normally pull the end, and then you still have to keep track of like if it's moving in or out. To colour it, you just make it solid. So it looks solid, and then you probably want to do blue, and then you would go solid, then custom, so you could customize it, make it a bit brighter. Oh, if it's like this, it's like not so out, you may need to put it out a bit more. So here's the window, and then to get a roof, here's how you do it. So you lift it up, like I showed you in one of my videos. Yeah, you lift it up with that little arrow, and then you like place it on there. Maybe make it a bit wider. Sometimes it won't fit. Maybe a bit like over the window. Like these bits might need to be a bit wider. See, it's 16, and then that one's 27. So we need to make it longer, a bit more down. Okay, so we got it down. Then, if it's like this, like it's a bit over the house, you just need to, that little black dot, you just need to pull it in with your mouse, and then get the other one and pull it out. If it goes too far, that's okay. You can just pull it in. But if you wanted to like turn the object, well, no, if you wanted to turn it, and then you could see, So if you look at this, if you turn the object and you don't know how to put it back, so if I turned it, and if you want it longer, don't hold this, it would make it like this, but if you hold this bit, it will make it a bit wider, kind of, or you could just pull this like at the right angle, so it wouldn't really make it longer, so you have to look at your thing and then change the degrees until it's like what you want. See, if I do that, and then you have to do that, and then you can turn it. So you can't just do this. Oh, like you wanted to maybe like make it a bit like make it turn more. It will get bigger and get wider. But you could have it like that if you wanted to. So you gotta you've got to hold that down and then turn it if you want it to turn, because it won't work just doing this. It would just make it really big. Yeah. So if you want to do that with a squiggly line, it's just the same. And so, oh cool. Yeah, squiggly one, it won't do that. It won't make the it won't make the it won't. So squiggly one lines don't you can't stretch it out, but spears you can, just doing that, and it will make it like an oval or any shape you wanted. Really, you want, like if you wanted to say a pot. Yeah, a pot. So you just get that, make it a bit higher. Well, I'm just making some random thing, and then you just drag it in there. It doesn't even look like a pot, kind of looks like a hat. No, it doesn't even look like a hat. So you just do that. You can change it with the spear and the roof, but you can't change it with the scribble. The text. So if you wanted text, you could do that. You could do it with that, but as if you wanted that, it would just make it like really big. But you could have it like that, and yeah, it would be like slanted kind of. So that's the really short video I was going to do. Wait. I just want to show you about the maps. It would look weird if you did it with the maps, because, you know what, it would make the maps like really big, and or like you can make it small and then like turn it out, and then you can make your own country. And then so do that. Then like add another map to it, which is really cool. If you like combine them, you got to make it a bit taller because this one's massive. Yeah, this one's tiny. Okay, that looks weird. A massive country compared to the tiniest country like ever. So you could just like make country with that. This is in Chinese or Japan. So I don't know what this country. It's probably like, no, it's probably Japan. So you could just drag that in, make it like a bit higher, and then drag it all the way up. So you could make like your own country with just these. Like you can make like rainbow coloured countries and all sorts. That's the end of my video. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye guys.